Crow City Brewery. Okay, so we got a brewery here. Guess they're just kind of opening up. I don't know if they're open yet. Yeah, it actually reminds me of, well, it is definitely bigger than Amherstburg. I wonder if it, definitely, I would think bigger than Kingsville, but Leamington might give it a run for its money. I don't know. Definitely bigger than Blenheim. And I'm just mentioning small towns in relatively short proximity to where we are right now. No smoking, no vaping. Oh, there's your cannabis spot next to the pizza place. How convenient is that, actually, right? Okay, it looks like they're building something here. And again, it just looks like more, booster juice, market. Really nice. So, okay, so I don't know what's down here. They got a radio station, looks like. Touchy. So, okay, let's just take a little way this way. Let's take a turn right down there. Well, let him go, eh? Oof. So from here, I'm not even sure exactly where the wheels that I was talking about. I know it's off the highway. And again, I've never really gone so deep into... Is it the city of Chatham? Or is it just a town? I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure. I mean, when I was growing up, I would confidently say the town of Chatham. And look, I might even be wrong then. But look at some of these buildings. Look at that. Yeah, I think I should. I think I can drone. I think I'm safe. I don't think the wind's going to really. Look at some of these murals though. Look at these. Now again, I don't know. I mean, that's sick. I don't know what the purpose or the meaning behind any of these are, except, well, there's the one, to pay it forward. I mean, there's a plaque to at least tell us. But like this guy, I don't know, is he a local rapper or something? I don't know. Another little mural. That's a beautiful mural, actually. That's a really nice one. Look at this. So it looks like there's like 3 churches. Like there's that one there. Now I'm sure they're all different. I think that, if I'm not mistaken, is that St. Joseph's? I think that is. I see. So I have no idea what that one is, and nor the one over there. But I kind of do want to check them out. Okay. Let's kind of wrap it around. And this is how you know you're not the big city. American and Canadian flags. They just they embrace both sides. And that's the thing for people on both sides. We should support each other, as far as I'm concerned. And not that I want to get political or anything, but Carney, Trump, none of these people are our friends. Okay, they're doing just fine. Okay, so stop looking left and right. It's just stop. Let's just get back together. Let's get back together. Let's be people. Anyways, that's my political rant of the day. So we're gonna cross here now. take a look at this river here. Oh, we got another mural. Oh, like a, is that even a plaque to go with it then? I'm not sure. I got parked right here. Okay, so it looks like there's a nice little parkette on the other side. Is that just the city thing? There might be a park, I don't know. That's another thing with these videos. I don't know if I should be rambling on. I don't know if I should just be quiet and just go and maybe just talk when I'm supposed to, or if something interesting comes up, I don't know. But yeah, like I said, I'm still figuring this all out myself. Nice little walkway they have here. I don't know how old this is, if this is something that's always been here. It's nice. So I guess this is where I could have parked if I went to, so that's satellite. I think you could just park in the back there too. Let's, you know what, let's get a back view of it. I actually think, now that I think about it, because I did look this place up on Google Maps, and I'm pretty sure they actually keep taking pictures of the back of it and not the front of it. Yeah, look, they have an entrance right there. So that glass part there just above the sign, I'm fairly positive is part of their restaurant, which again, I mean, get a decent view then. It's, you know, nothing to scoff at. So that would be, yeah, that would be the entrance then. So I guess you'd go up some stairs, and then that would bring you into the restaurant. Willie's 420 Supplies. Sorry, when I think of Willie's or hear the name Willie's, I don't think marijuana. Sorry. Don't something to something what to okay, I don't know what the message was there. It's nice. This is the bridge I drove on getting here. I like it here. That Chatham's not a bad place. Nice little condo building here. Bunch of houses are nice and cheap. Let's go up here. Oh man, I'm getting really tired, I can tell you that. I can tell you that. All of this driving and walking. I mean, I slept fairly good last night, I will say that. But nonetheless, I don't know if there's really much up here. Let's take a little gander. It keeps going. Keeps going. Wow. Okay. I mean, that's impressive. It's a pretty large downtown. Luxury rental. Oh, so they're luxury rentals. Okay, I see. I see. So, not a condo building. What I call e-condo building, where it's like, you know, condo style, but you know, you don't get to own the condos you own, right? So it's condo style. I don't know if that's actually a term of it. If so, I'm coining it right now. E-condos. Those are condo style apartments that you can rent. You heard that here first, baby. I hope. I don't know. Oh. Okay, so. Oh wow! Oh hey, here we are. What do we got here? What do we have here? Wow. Very nice. Very nice. So I guess that's the path then towards the park. Yeah, I almost want to do like a little St. Thomas Chatham tour. I mean, they're both intriguing to me. There's both of them have some stuff I definitely would like to return to and check out a little bit more closely. I think I'm gonna just give a little turn around here. I can't go in there, so I'll just do a quick turn around here, and we're gonna head back towards the pizza place and get some Hawaiian pizza. So this should be fun. Oh, look at that! That's so cool. That is so cool. That is really nice. That is really, really nice. And I just want to thank that woman for backing up for me so I could get that nice view. I gave her a nice little wave. And again, just the niceness of smaller cities and bigger towns, or whatever you want to say. Excuse me. Sorry, this might be an ignorant question. Obviously, I'm not from around here. Is Chatham actually considered a city, or is it a town, or?
I don't know.
That's what I was trying to think. I was like, I don't want to sound ignorant, but you know.
Yeah, I'm not even sure.
Okay. Well, thanks a lot.
Like a big town?
Yeah, at least, right? A big town or a little city.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful here. It's really nice. It's really nice.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Thanks.